Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Carol. Today we are going to be doing some crafting. I'm going to show you guys how I do my Paw Patrol boys outfit order that I do. So stay tuned.
I feel your body close. We are shifting through the beat, and I watch your body move.
Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down a trash bag on the floor to protect the floor. I'm really bad at this. I usually have paint all over the floor afterwards or even on the wall. So just make sure that you cover a good enough area. The paint that I'm using, I got from Michael's. They come in a pack, but you can get them from Walmart, I believe. But I live in New York, so there's not really a Walmart. And then you just lay out the outfit. Make sure you were able to put paint on every angle. Make sure there's no dust or any dirt on it, because that will stick if you throw the paint on top of it. And then I just get my brush. I put the paint colors on a little tray. I have that, it's like Tupperware or something like that. And then I just start swinging the paintbrush and make sure that it's splashing onto the shirt and the shorts. I don't know, you might not want to be like do it like me, because I just kind of get crazy. That's how I get paint everywhere, because I get excited and I just start swinging that thing. So you might want to be a little more careful than I am. And yeah, you just start do each color one by one until you're done with all your colors that you want to have on it. And yeah, that's it. So once we're finished with one side, we're gonna let it dry for a little while, and then we're gonna turn over to the other side. The good thing with doing these paint splatter outfits is that they're very forgiving. You can make little mistakes because we are gonna add images on top, so you can always hide your little imperfections or mistakes or whatever. So yeah, just do the other side the same way. We're gonna do each color one by one. This is what the outfit looks like once the paint splatter is on it. You see the 5 colors. It's very nice. Sometimes on the shorts I add white because that really pops and makes it look really nice, so you might want to do that. Now we're gonna just work on putting on the images. I use dark transfer paper for my images, and I use my Cricut to cut out paws to add to the shirt and the shorts, which makes it look even nicer. So what you see me doing here is folding the shirt so I can make sure that the image is centered. That's really important because people will notice that. And I'm cutting my paws that I made on my Cricut. So what you see me doing here is just putting on the images. I'm trying to choose where I want to put where they fit best. The transfer paper that I'm using is dark OPEG transfer paper. You can find it on Amazon. And yeah, it just sticks kind of like a sticker, but then I will have to iron it on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wax paper that I got from the 99-cent store for $1.99, and I'm gonna use it to protect the images from the heat of the iron. I'm gonna press it down for a few seconds, not too long because you don't want to burn your image, but just enough that it seals onto the shirt. I'm gonna add the paws that I made using my Cricut. I use iron-on vinyl that I also got from Michaels, and the same colors that I use for the paint, so red, green, yellow, white, blue, and orange. Only have to iron those for a few seconds. You can try to peel off the clear part that's on top, and if it doesn't come off and you see that the vinyl is not sticking correctly, you just iron it a little bit more, but usually just a few seconds and you're good. Not to mention that I put my iron on the highest setting, the cotton setting. So that concludes my video. This is what the outfit looks like when it's all said and done. It's so cute. Perfect for a little boy who loves Paw Patrol. If you guys have any questions, I'll be more than glad to answer them. Just leave them in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.